I have summoned all the chief priests as you requested.
I require advice from all of you. A caravan of magi from the east arrived here in Jerusalem. They came directly to my palace. They came bearing many gifts. They said that they came to worship the king.
Igwe, there is no advice on this one. I think this is good. It's an opportunity to strengthen your throne. I mean your realm.
They were not referring to me. According to some star in the sky, which you've been following for quite some time, they're under the impression that a Jewish king has just been born.
Wait, you're a wise man. What has that got to do with this? Or are you just trying to tell us that the queen is about to give us a son?
No, now, high priest, Aga high priest. I want you to tell me if there's anything to this. Your scriptures, don't they prophesy of some Messiah? Do they not?
Yes, according to Uncle Daniel, the prophet, he said that if my watch is correct, that about this time, a Christ should be being born, but I wonder if that will ever happen.
Do we want to take that chance? Your scriptures, do they say anything of where this said Messiah will be born from?
Yes, I remember Uncle Micah, the prophet. He said the same. That in Bethlehem of Judah, that a Christ will be born. And he will be the ruler to shepherd the people of Israel. But you are the only way we know.
I got high priest. When I put in Google high priest, not your name that comes up. What does the scripture say exactly?
Well, you are giving me a specific task now. I know Uncle Micah, is it Micah 5:2? He said, "Oh, Bethlehem of Judah, even though you consider yourself a little in the leadership of Judah, out of you shall come out a ruler who will be able to shepherd my people, Israel."
I don't like the sounds of that.
But
No
that's
idea how that's going to affect my kingdom and authority. Jerusalem is already in trouble. We must do something to maintain my balance of power.
Bam, you are very correct.
Okay, this is what we'll do. I'll summon the Magi. I'll talk to them privately. I'll find out when the star appeared. That'll tell me how old this baby is. Then I'll send them on the way to go and worship this so-called Messiah. They can give their gifts, they can go and spend their time, but when they found him, they must come back and give word to me. So then I too can go and worship him as well.
Igwe, we are talking about a baby here, not an adult. Are you also going to worship a baby?
No, I want him dead. This so-called Messiah must go, he must be destroyed.
Child!
But I will not let that on to the Magi. Let's go.
Okay.